This is Mason Willow's trailer and hitch, letting you know your order is ready.
Hey bud, it's me. I just picked up my hitch and was wondering if you wanted to come and hang out. No worries at all, man. Hey, has Samantha said her first word yet?
Hi, Nigel. I gotta put on a trailer hitch tonight. You wanna help me out? Thanks, bud. Alright, Nigel. 2 T15 bolts here and here. 2 or 3 more T15 bolts in the wheel wells plus a T10. You good with that? Alright, Nigel. You're up, buddy. I need a second pair of hands. What do you mean your back is out? So is mine. Alright, well, it's 3 bolts per side, 6 in total. Hitch goes on, this goes back on, tighten to 52 Newton meters. Are you sure your back is out? Hey, Nigel, you want to do this part? Okay, well, I'll do this one too. The cut has to be 6 inches deep, 3 inches wide, and then an additional inch on each side, 3 inches deep. Sure you don't want to do this?
Hey, bud. I know I got your answering machine, but the hitch is on, and I'm heading out east to take some photos. So call me back if you want to tag along.
Love is at the door, I hear it knocking. Looking for the keys, they're in my pocket. You still wear my heart around your necklace. Will I still play the part of young and reckless? I don't know who you are, I wish I did, I wish I did, I don't. I love myself a lot, I wish I did, I wish I did, oh no. I can't stop thinking but I wish I could, I wish I could, I won't. I don't know who you are, don't know who you are. Your clothes are on the floor, dressed in tatters. Where you stood before, when something mattered. Left me with a note, you wrote it after. Reminds me of a joke, I hear your laughter. I don't know who you are, I wish I did, I wish I did, I don't. I love myself a lot, I wish I did, I wish I did, oh no. I can't stop thinking but I wish I could, I wish I could, I won't. I don't know who you are, don't know who you are. If I could do it again, say all the things that I wish I said. If I could do it again, do all the things that I wish I did. When you destroyed our home, I loved you after. Then you say you're done, like it didn't matter. You wanna light a flame, give the matches, so you could write your name in the ashes. I don't know who you are, I wish I did, I wish I did, I don't. I love myself a lot, I wish I did, I wish I did, oh no. I can't stop thinking but I wish I could, I wish I could, I won't. I don't know who you are, I don't know who you are. If I could do it again, say all the things that I wish I said. If I could do it again, do all the things that I wish I did.
Hey, Vi, it's me. I just put down Sam for a nap. Wanna come over and play some Warframe? Alright, see you in a bit, friendo.